Are you ready to turn your 2009 BMW 1 Series into a 2900? Well, here's some sequential indicators. Tools required. So to start, we'll need a pry tool, and for extra credit, splurge on a microfiber cloth. Make sure you slide the indicator back before you pry it out. Just looking at this in editing and I'm like, oh my god, I didn't add it. So, place the cloth on the paint of the car behind the indicator and then work your pry tool under the back of the old indicator. Once pried off, simply unplug the indicator with a squeeze and pull. Now, for the most difficult part of the installation, plugging them in. Not really, it's actually pretty easy. And before you remove the sticky from your new indicator, make sure it's on the right side and then clean up the area where it will be sticking. To secure the indicators into position, push the back of the indicator into position and then the front. Once everything's functional, sit back and enjoy your warning light masterpiece. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any suggestions or feedback, let me know. Otherwise, thank you, and if you made it this far, do the things, like, subscribe, make it a secret, tell a friend, have a good day.